Did you know that your brain is like a muscle? The stronger you keep it, the better it works. Imagine having sharper focus, better memory, and improved problem-solving skills, all by training your mind. But how exactly do you keep your mind strong? And why is it so important? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the amazing benefits of keeping your mind strong. In our fast-paced world, mental strength is just as important as physical fitness. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve your daily life, a strong mind can make all the difference. So stick around because we're about to explore how mental strength can transform your life and share some great tips along the way. Improved focus and concentration. A strong mind helps you stay focused, even in a world full of distractions. Whether it's studying for an exam, completing a work project, or simply staying present in conversations, improving your mental strength allows you to concentrate better and get things done efficiently. Enhanced memory and learning ability. Keeping your mind strong can boost your memory and ability to learn new things. The brain thrives on challenges, so engaging in activities like reading, puzzles, and problem-solving can significantly enhance your cognitive function and help you retain information longer. Better stress management. Life is full of ups and downs, but a strong mind helps you handle stress more effectively. When you develop mental resilience, you're better equipped to navigate challenges, stay calm under pressure, and avoid feeling overwhelmed by negative emotions. Increased creativity and problem-solving skills. A healthy mind fuels creativity. Whether you're an artist, a business professional, or a student, strengthening your brain power allows you to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions to problems. Critical thinking and creativity go hand in hand with a strong, mind-boosted emotional well-being. Mental strength isn't just about intelligence, it's also about emotional stability. A strong mind helps you regulate emotions, build resilience, and maintain a positive mindset. This not only improves your personal relationships, but also enhances your overall well-being. Now, here's a question for you. What do you do to keep your mind strong? Do you meditate, read, or play brain games? Drop your answers in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Keeping your mind strong is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. From improving focus to handling stress better, the benefits are endless. So challenge yourself every day. Read a new book, try a puzzle, or practice mindfulness. And remember, a strong mind leads to a strong life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay smart, and keep growing.